In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a quiz in your course. Duplicating a quiz is a quick way to reuse a proven setup without rebuilding it from scratch. Maybe you want the same timing, the same layout, or a slightly tweaked version for a different week. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, head to your course page and make sure you're looking at the main course outline. To make changes, you need to turn editing on. Look for the Turn Editing On option, usually near the top right of the page or in a settings menu, and click it. When editing is on, you'll notice extra controls appear next to items in your course. If you don't see the option, you might not have the right permissions, or you may already have editing enabled. Next, locate the quiz you want to duplicate in the section or week where it currently lives. Sections can be expanded or collapsed, so if you don't see it right away, expand the relevant section and scan for the quiz activity. Confirm you've got the correct quiz by checking its title and any description you added. Now, find the action menu for that quiz. This is usually the 3 vertical dots to the right of the quiz title, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click those dots to reveal the available actions. Make sure you're opening the menu for the quiz itself, not for the entire section or another activity. From that menu, choose Duplicate. The system will create a copy of the quiz right in the same course section. You'll see the new quiz appear immediately, typically just below the original. The copy carries over the quiz structure and settings, saving you setup time. If you don't see a new item appear, give the page a moment to refresh, or refresh your browser manually and check again. At this point, you've successfully duplicated the quiz. That's all there is to it. If you ever don't see the duplicate option, double-check that editing is still turned on, and verify that your role has permission to duplicate activities in this course. Also, be aware that the copied quiz will mirror the original's basic settings, so it's a good idea to glance at the newly created item and confirm it looks as expected. And that's the process. Turn editing on, find your quiz, open its action menu, choose Duplicate, and watch the copy appear in the same section. Simple, consistent, and a real time saver.